students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So yes, I believe that you people have enjoyed your Dashera vacations. Then afterwards we have conducted SL1. I hope you people have written it very well. And now it's time to get back to our studies. That is lesson explanation, writing notes, homeworks, etc. etc. Okay, so yes, as you all know that when we used to be in the school, after SA1 we used to start term 2, right? But now as our term 1 lessons are not completed, so we will continue with the term 1 lesson number 4, reproduction in animals, part 1, science. Okay, so all the 4th class students, take out your same reader, that is term 1 reader. Okay, and take out page number 120. So yeah, let us start the lesson, that is lesson number 4, reproduction in animal, subject science. So as the lesson name says, reproduction in animals, this lesson going to teach us that how animals produce their babies, whether they produce by laying eggs or whether they give birth to the young one. Okay, so this lesson totally explains you about the production or reproduction of the babies of animals. Okay, so all the living things, whoever is there, whether it is human beings, birds, animals, ants, they all reproduce, they all give birth to the young ones. Some of them lay eggs. So this process is called as what? Reproduction. What is it called? Reproduction. So every animal have different types, different kinds, different ways to reproduce it. Some animals, they give birth to the young one directly. Some animals and they lay eggs. कुछ एनिमल्स डायरेक्ट बच्चे पैदा करते हैं या कुछ एनिमल्स अंडे देते हैं. ओके, सो द यंग एनिमल्स, द यंग adult animals, the animals which will give birth to the adult is called are like the human beings. Human beings are also regarded as an animal. Human beings, calves, puppies, kitten, etc. Okay, are born, and chicks, tadpole, fries, larvae, etc. they lay eggs. Okay, so few animals they give birth, they give direct birth. Few animals lay eggs. Now after that we will learn that which are those animals who give birth to the young one and which are those animals who lay eggs. Okay, so first side heading, the first matter is reproduction in mammals. So when the word mammals come, mammals, it doesn't mean that it is only one animal. मैमल्स के अंदर बहुत सारे ऐसे एनिमल्स आते हैं जो अडल्ट या बेबीज को बर्थ देते हैं. अडल्ट बेबीज, जिनके थ्रू अडल्ट बेबीज होते हैं. सो वो जो भी एनिमल्स हु गिव बर्थ to the adult animal, to the adult babies are called as what? Mammals. We human beings, we give birth to the adult babies, so we are also regarded as mammals. So what happens? They give, these mammals are the only animals in this world who give birth to the fully developed babies. Means these babies, when they come to this universe, to the world, they are fully developed. They have eyes, they have nose, they have ear, they have hair, they have hands, legs, everything. Okay, so these mammals, there are two types. One is the male one and one is the female. So female mammal, they feed milk to the babies. Okay, and they also take care of the babies in all respect. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, these mammals they take care of the babies. So mammals have hair and they are warm blooded. It means the temperature of their body does not change even if the temperature is changed outside. Okay, तो जितने भी टाइप के मैमल एनिमल्स हैं उनका बॉडी टेम्परेचर हमेशा गर्म रहता है. So चाहे सामने बाहर ठंड हो या कुछ भी हो, their body temperature will not change. You can see the pictures over here. These all the pictures, all these pictures, they give birth to the young ones, and this each animal is called as what? Mammal. Okay, here human beings are there: monkey, cat, lion, cow, mouse, elephant. Okay, so these are called as what? Mammals. So some animals, mammals like whale, they are very big. Whale will also give birth to the young one. Some like rat and screw, they are very small. Some mammals live on land. Some mammals you can find like monkey, which can live on tree. Some mammals, they can live under the water. Okay, live in water like fish, whales, dolphins. Okay, and few mammals are there like bats, they can fly in the air. So this is how we differentiated mammals. Some can live on the land, some can live in water, some can live on a tree, and some can fly in the air. Apart from this, as I told you that there are two types of mammals, that is male and female. So female mammal give birth to their babies. Male mammal will not give, only the female mammal will give birth to the babies. And as the young ones of the mammal, they develop inside, so as they grow up till the time, their parents will take care of their babies. Okay, in our houses, in the human beings, we can find our grandparents are also taking care of us, right? So we are very lucky to have that. Not only our parents take care, but even our grandparents will also take care of ourselves, isn't it? Because for them still we are babies. So apart from this, so mother and father both feed them, feed in the sense खाना खाना, इसके अलावा बहुत सारी चीजें, तो they will feed them, they protect them, and they take care of their babies till they become adult. So our parents, like how they look after to us, okay, how they look after us and take care whatever the things we want, we go and ask to our parents, whether it is a complaint, whether it is anything. हम क्या करते हैं, हम सीधा हमारे पेरेंट्स के पास जाते हैं और उन्हें उनसे मांगते हैं. Similarly, these mammals also, the other kinds of animals, they will also go to their parents and they'll ask. We cannot understand their language, but the way they talk or the way they move, they can express their feelings, they can express their thoughts to their parents. Okay, now next is what? Egg laying mammals. So it is said that all the mammals will not give birth to the young ones. There are two mammals which lay eggs. अब तक जितने भी ये पिक्चर्स है, ये जितने भी young ones को पैदा करते हैं, so they are called as what? A mammal which is giving birth to the young one. But there are other mammals also जो अंडे देते हैं. Let us see which are those mammals. That is platypus and echidna. You can see the picture over here. These two are also regarded as mammal, but they will not give birth to the young one. They lay eggs. Okay, so it has hair. You can see here it is like a mouse, right? So you can see over here it has so many hair like structure, and both of them, they give birth to the babies by laying eggs. Okay, next is what? Reproduction in other animals. So mammals are different. Now let us see how the other animals will reproduce. Let us see now. Insects, fish, frogs, snakes and birds, they reproduce by laying eggs. Till now हमने पढ़ा था उस एनिमल्स के बारे में जो अपने बच्चे डायरेक्ट पैदा करते हैं, they give birth to the young ones. But now अब हम उन एनिमल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जो डायरेक्ट अंडे देते हैं, they give birth by laying egg. Okay, so some egg are very small and some egg are very big, like the eggs of ostrich. Ostrich जो है उसके eggs बहुत बड़े हैं, and which is very famous in the world. So some are white, others have different colors also. So अंडे देने में भी जैसा जो the animals which will give birth to the young ones, like उसमें भी female animal ही young ones को birth देते हैं, और जो animals who will lay egg, उसमें भी female animal ही egg को birth देते हैं. Okay, so these eggs till the time the adult will not grow, उतने टाइम तक वो हर एनिमल एज अ पेरेंट दे प्रोटेक्ट देयर चाइल्ड. सो सम एनिमल्स ले फ्यू एग्स ओनली, अदर्स दे ले थाउजेंड्स ऑफ एग्स. कुछ एनिमल्स जो है खाली थोड़े अंडे देते हैं, बट कुछ एनिमल्स थाउजेंड्स, लैक्स, so much eggs they will give. So we all the eggs do not hatch at a time. It means एक ही साथ जैसा वो eggs आते हैं, जब का जब भी वो eggs में से तोड़ के उनके बेबीज नहीं बाहर निकलते. So some will take time, whether 2-3 days, 10 days, 20 days. Okay. Next is what? Structure of a bird's egg. Now अब जो अंडे देते हैं उन सब eggs का अलग अलग structure होता है. कुछ eggs का structure अलग रहता है, कुछ eggs का structure अलग रहता है. So now we will learn the structure of a bird's egg. Have you seen an egg? which we human beings eat. Okay, what is present in that? When you break it, you can see the white discharge, white color discharge, and afterwards inside it yellow color is the yolk, which is called as what? Yolk. Similarly, birds के eggs भी ऐसे ही होते हैं. Okay, it has a shell which protects the baby which is inside the shell. Then these shells contains tiny holes. With the help of that tiny holes, birds को जो है अंदर जो babies होते हैं उन्हें ऑक्सीजन मिलता है. Okay, and there is a albumin. So there is white thick liquid, as I told you, in the white of an egg, जो white yellow के और उसके shell के बीच में रहता है. So it protects what? It protects the yellow yolk. जो yellow है ना, वो yellow part के अंदर ही baby होता है. So जो white liquid है, वो white liquid, it's nothing but it is just a liquid which protects the yellow yolk. Okay, and it also inside the yellow round yolk that provides food to the growing embryo baby bird. So that yellow yolk is helpful to provide food to the baby which is inside of that yellow yolk. Okay, so after as the egg develop into the baby only when it is kept warm. तो वो अंडे तभी डेवलप होते हैं जब वो अंडों को वार्म में रखा जाता है. That's the reason you can see the birds every time they sit on the nest, right? They sit on what? Nest. It is nothing but they try to keep the eggs warm, because जितना ज़्यादा eggs warm रहेंगे इतनी जल्दी ही बच्चा egg के अंदर से बाहर आएगा. Is it clear? So in a bird it takes 20 days from an egg to develop into the chicks. Okay, then when they develop, they have what? They have eyes, wings, legs, body develop. Then by the 21st day the chicks come out. Inside only everything will develop, but as everything develops, 21st day को वो सारी body बाहर आती है. You can see over here. Okay, this is a bird. Then this bird giving birth to the babies. So this क्या है? ये egg है. Okay, ये egg के अंदर से chick comes out. Then bird, as it not only give birth to one egg, there are so many eggs, so many chicks are there. Then afterwards, when it becomes young, that bird able to fly. So chicks do not have feathers and their eyes are closed. So till the time they don't have feathers and their eyes are closed, the mother bird, they feed to their children. Both parents, father and mother, they take care of their babies. And as the egg becomes strong, the baby becomes strong and able to fly and able to feed themselves, then afterwards they leave them. Leave in the sense they not leave, but yes, they allow them to go out, to go and fly and search for the food. Is it clear, children? So for today, this much is enough. Today we have discussed about reproduction in mammals, and there are other mammals also which give birth by laying eggs, and we have learned the structure of a bird egg and reproduction in other animals also. So dear children, before watching my video, I want you to read the lesson twice time. Okay, because if you read it, it not only improves your reading skill, but also while watching my video, it helps you to understand the video properly. Okay children, then afterwards we'll complete the another part and the other subject also. We need to start another subject also. Till then children, go through this lesson, watch the video. Goodbye and take care.